going to look at solving systems of equations by substitution. So we have the equations y equals 3x plus 2 and the equation y equals 6x minus 10. Now we're looking at the system of equations, so where they intersect, that means the x has to be the same, the y has to be the same. Y is equal to this expression, y is also equal to that expression, and we know that these are the same y values, so these have to be equal to each other. So we can say 3x plus 2 equals 6x minus 10. From here, it's a matter of solving for x. So I could subtract 3x from this side, and these are additive inverses, so they become 0. That leaves me with 2 on the left side, 6 minus 3x, and then keep my subtract 10. So now I need to do the additive inverse here. Add 10. 2 plus 10 is 12, equals 3x. Now, minus 10 plus 10, those are additive inverses, they become 0. So I'm left with 12 equals 3 times x. Inverse operations say opposite of divide, or opposite of multiply is divide. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, which tells me x has to be equal to 4. So I'm almost there. I'm halfway to my solution. Now I take my x value and I substitute it into one of my equations. Doesn't matter which one, they will get me the same answer regardless. I'm going to use this one. So I get y equals 3x, I'm going to leave that blank for a second, plus 2. Well, what did I decide my x was? 4. So I substitute it in. Y equals 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. So now I know that y is equal to 14. So let's plug it in, substitute it into one of my equations to make sure that it holds true. So let's go ahead and use our other equation. Y is 14 equals 6 times our x value of 4 minus 10. All right, so let's solve this and see what happens. 6 times 4 is 24 minus 10. Oh, look, I got 14. So when I substitute in my x value and my y value, the equation was true, and that's how I know I got the right values. So to conclude, we substituted in one of the things we knew was equal to y, and we just plugged it in where we saw a y. 3x plus 2 is equal to y, so we can just put it in this equation wherever we see the y to get 3x plus 2 equals 6x minus 10. And from there, it's a matter of inverse operations and combining like terms to solve for x, sub in x to find y.